Gladiators, ready! 3, 2, 1. Now Kerry is back to self-maximum points of the TV show, but how's she going to get on here in work? And look at the power of Cyclone. Oh my goodness me, what is going on, Mark?
Cyclone. It's a simple game with simple rules, played by simple people. What do you not understand?
Mark, you may have gone too far there, my man. Cyclone seems to be storming. Oh, hang on. What's she up to? She's grabbed the mic, Mark. I think you might be in trouble.
If you think it's so easy, why don't you get in there? What do you think, Buckley? Come on, get in the goal! Wembley has spoken. Get in there.
Oh my word. Cyclone has laid down the gauntlet of her own.
I can do better than you.
Go on. Let's see it. That's not even how I do it.
I can't believe what I'm seeing. Mark Clattenburg entering the gauntlet.
Yeah, Michael.
Sonia McLean is asking him if he's sure. She's telling him to be careful. Cyclone's becoming the ref. Is that what's going on here?
Okay. Ladies and ref, I want a clean game. A clean game, Mark. Since my job is so easy. Okay.
It's so easy.
Kerry, I'm giving you 6 seconds to get through the gauntlet. On my mark. 3, 2, 1.
Let's go, Kerry.